We have organized Atal Modi Suparipalana Yatra, Good Governance Yatra, around the state of Andhra Pradesh. This year happens to be the centenary of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Atal Bihari Vajpayee is so tall leader. Nobody matches to his caliber. A person in public life for more than 70 years and a parliamentarian for more than 60 years, having a huge and long and very successful career. And it's not a bed of roses for him. He had lots of struggles, lots of things. After fighting all those things, he has become the Prime Minister, the pivotal role that everybody aspires for. He became Prime Minister for thrice. Thrice he became the Prime Minister of the nation. So this tall personality's centenary should not be celebrated in an ordinary fashion. So we thought of organizing a big yatra around the state. So we started from Dharmavaram and we are coming back to Amaravati. So all the district headquarters, we have installed bronze statues of Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. And not just installing his statues, we have organized an exhibition of what all the achievements he has done. So that public can know about what all programs, the welfare programs he has contemplated, the kind of struggles I was telling you. So what all those struggles he has faced and what is his life. So that's another highlight of the program. And he stood for Atmanirbhar Bharat, Swayam Samruddhi Bharat. He wants India to be self-reliant in all aspects. So to showcase it also, we have organized Swadeshi stalls and people telling people to use Swadeshi products. Our Honorable Prime Minister has named his birth anniversary as Good Governance Day and directed every state government to organize good programs highlighting the achievements of Atal Bihari Vajpayee in all educational institutions as well as in all the offices. So tomorrow happens to be the birth centenary of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He is entering 101 birth anniversary, and state government was kind enough to commemorate Good Governance Day, culminating our yatra also at the same place. And we are very thankful to our Honorable CM, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, for giving us one of the very beautiful locations in Amaravati. Atal Bihari Vajpayee's statue happens to be the first statue in Amaravati. That's also a great news, because a personality like Atal Bihari Vajpayee will be definitely an inspiration for today's generations and coming generations also, and persons in polity and bureaucracy also. So they'll be looking at him and get the inspiration, and this will be a great thing that will happen in Amaravati. And we are looking forward. A world-class capital will be builded under the inspiration of tall leaders like Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and all other tall leaders. So Atal Bihari Vajpayee's statue being the first one is also a great thing for us. So tomorrow at 11 o'clock the program will come. There will be unveiling of the statue of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Our Honorable Minister for Agriculture and Rural Development, Sri Shivraj Singh Chauhan, is coming as a chief guest for the function, and our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu will also be in the function, and all the ministers, union ministers, state ministers, our MPs, MLAs will be participating. So this is a huge commemoration, and also for giving our tributes to Atal Bihari Vajpayee. For me also it's a great achievement. It's also a blessing that Atalji's centenary has fallen in during my tenure as a state president of Andhra Pradesh, and I am thankful to all our Karyakartas for being actively participating in this yatra, and all the media personalities for helping us in giving lots of mileage for the program.
So the centenary program